how you can log into your Facebook page. So if you have created a Facebook page using your personal Facebook profile, this is how you can log into your page. First, open your Facebook account and go to your profile by clicking on the three dot. If you have created a page, it should show a shortcut right here, but if it doesn't show, you can click on this drop down menu to see more of your shortcuts. And somewhere around here you should see you can see the pages option, so you just click on it, and here you can see the pages that you manage. I've just created a test page, so you just tap on it, and once you tap on this page, this thing will pop up, and here you'll see an option to switch your account to your page. So you just click on switch page, and once you tap on switch, this should switch to your page that you've created, and from here you can edit or post whatever you want with your page or make content. So if you're done with that and you want to go back to your profile, you just come to this profile on your page and then tap on this drop down menu, and you can see your profile right here. So you can just switch from here, or you can just directly tap on this switch button beside the drop down button, and if you click on this, this will switch your page back to your normal profile. And that's how you can sign into your Facebook page easily. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.